Yeah, I mean, no, I like to open it carefully also. This is worth keeping. Listen, I want to keep so many of these lovely things.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, nice. See, maybe like that.
Having a crowdsourced book, this relatively has never been done before. And when we speak about happy endings and people compiling their happy endings and having it compiled together then into a book, if you could just share your feedback on that.
So, I just think that it's nice, some of the tie-ups that we do, some of them are more relevant than others. We're both playing writers, so it's correct that we should be here at Crosswords. And, you know, I was talking to Sharda, who's doing our marketing, about this, and I was saying that I hope people get to see this and people understand that we're making this movie and promoting it at a place like this is not too niche. And Sharda told me that everybody reads and everybody watches TV, so I think it's something that we're quite proud of to be associating, and it's a wonderful competition that you've set up. We'd like to meet your winners, I guess. Don't we get to see them?
The winners, well, I'll have to just check that out with the team. No. Do we have the winners here with us? No, we don't unfortunately have the winners, but we, I think probably, Seth, if you'd like to pick anything that probably you'd like to read from the book.
Sure. What do you want me to read?
Anything. Just take a...
Are these all different stories?
Yes, these are all different, I guess. They're all, each one is dedicated to one happy ending. They're all happy ending stories.
That's kind of sweet.
Where, how?
Okay, so I think this is one. And each page has one.
This is a story?
Yes. It's a story that's got a pretty simple and short happy ending.
It's a very cheeky happy endings here. Okay, so one is my best mate was dating a guy who lived off her. She lost her job, she lost him, she got a new job, and he is now homeless. Happy ending. Quite fun, huh? He was living off her. Good for her. She got a new job.
Did Sarah find something interesting?
Oh, this is nice.
Okay. So it says, they took 45 minutes to get my burger, but the beautiful waitress slipped me her number on the napkin. So I guess it's a happy ending.
Very happy ending.
Great.
All right, talking about happy endings, I think we can't let you guys go or continue with photo ops unless you tell us a little bit of a happy ending according to you.
Well, I think a really happy ending would be if we finish promoting our movie well, go to Delhi, have a nice premiere, and have a very successful first week or first day. Would be a very happy ending to a saga of tension, preparation, and nerves before release.
Liana, what about you?
I honestly, I share the same thoughts because it's been quite crazy promoting the film, and I think the nerves are really starting to set in now. So a happy ending to this entire journey would be just people loving the movie and enjoying it as much as we've enjoyed making it. It's been a lot of fun making the film, it really has. So if they can share a little bit of that fun, I think we probably have a success on our hands.
Absolutely. I think moving on then, let's take questions, media questions, audience questions. Please raise your hand so we can pass on the mic. Anybody from the media, audience questions, please raise your hands up so we can pass on the mic to you.
No questions.
No, usually not.
I don't think there's any questions. No.
Yeah, we have one right there.
Okay.
Salman, मेरा सवाल sorry.
Just call me Salman.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Thank you.
आपकी फिल्म में आप लेखक बने, ऑथर हैं आप, तो अगर आपको अपनी खुद की ज़िंदगी में कभी ऐसे थॉट्स आते हो या ऐसा मूड है कभी कि आप कुछ लिखें, तो किस तरह की कहानी आप लिखेंगे?
आई डोंट नो, काफ़ी अलग चीज़ें सोचता हूँ मैं, ख्याल आते हैं मेरे पास, अलग अलग छोटे मोलस्किन डायरीज हैं, कुछ ना कुछ मैं लिखता रहता हूँ. कभी ये नहीं सोचा कि एक कहानी लिखूं या कैसी कहानी लिखूंगा, लेकिन आइडियाज़ लिखता हूँ और बाद में पढ़ता हूँ और सोचता हूँ दैट्स इंटरेस्टिंग कि एक टाइम पे मैंने ऐसा सोचा था. सो आई लाइक द आइडिया ऑफ अ जर्नल एंड अ डायरी एंड टू राइट थॉट्स, बट नेवर थॉट ऑफ राइटिंग अ स्टोरी. इट्स अ डिफरेंट, बहुत वक्त की ज़रूरत होती है, और आई थिंक इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग एज एन एक्टर मुश्किल हो जाता है टू टेक ऑन सच अ बिग प्रोजेक्ट लाइक राइटिंग समथिंग.
सिर्फ आपने अभी अपने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि आप ओमकारा जैसी फिल्म जो है उस तरह की फिल्म का वेट कर रहे हैं, इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं, उस तरह का कैरेक्टर आपको मिले करने के लिए. सो क्या इस तरह की कैरेक्टर वाली फिल्म लाइक कॉकटेल आपने की अभी, हैप्पी एंडिंग, पिछले हम शक्ल की अगर बात करें, तो क्या इस तरह के फ़नी या इस तरह के कैरेक्टर को करके आप ऊब गए हैं?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स करना पसंद करूँगा. मतलब इट साउंड सिंपल, लेकिन एक एक्टर को एक स्क्रिप्ट पे कंसंट्रेट करना चाहिए और अच्छी कहानियों को फिल्माना चाहिए, और अगर कहानी अच्छी है तो इट्स ऑल फाइन. मैं चाहूँगा कि कुछ अलग अलग होता रहे, ये नहीं कि सिर्फ कॉमेडीज़ हो रही हैं या सिर्फ ड्रामा हो रहा है. अगर दोनों हो जाएं, जो भी मूड करे, लेकिन स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी होनी चाहिए, स्पेशल होनी चाहिए.
ये आपकी होम प्रोडक्शन फिल्म है,
जी.
प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं आप. करीना ने इसमें कैमियो किया है, सो कुछ पैसे वैसे लिए आपने से उन्होंने इसके लिए?
नहीं, लेकिन हमने उनके लिए एक बहुत खूबसूरत घड़ी ली थी एज अ प्रेजेंट. हम नहीं चाहते कि कोई भी हमारे लिए कुछ फ्री में करे, वो भी एक आर्टिस्ट हैं, तो उनका वक्त हम बर्बाद नहीं करेंगे.
Thank you so much for your question. Can you pass the mic on?
Hello, Ileana ma'am.
Yes.
I want to.
Hi, Karan.
Hi.
Again, hello.
What type of happy ending do you want in your life?
I think the thought of a happy ending is a bit tricky because, you know, we've been talking about this for so long, and when you say ending, it seems like it's an end of something, and when you end something, it's never normally happy, is it? So I hope I never have sad moments that lead to a happy ending, but I just hope I have these amazing chapters in my life, and I hope each of them ends happily. So I hope for a nice, easygoing, happy life.
Thank you.
Hopefully that's answered your question.
And sir?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, if it has to end, it should be peaceful and painless and surrounded with love.
Like us.
Like what? I can't hear you.
Just be a little louder.
Hello?
Like
Hello?
what?
Like me. And all.
Are you peaceful and painless? I don't
Yeah.
know. I don't know. I hope so. You're too young to be peaceful and painless. That's something that comes later in life.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you're peaceful and painless at your age, you might be on drugs or something, which you shouldn't do.
Hi, this question is to both of you all. We are at a bookstore, and if I ask you, is there any book or by an author? Hello, we have you both have read, and you would want it to be adapted into a film, and you would want to play that particular character. If you've come across or read any book,
You know, I haven't, but we're constantly on the lookout and we are reading. I mean, it's not. I think that the quality of writing in movies could benefit a lot if all the talent in India was focused towards writing us good screenplays or giving us books that we could adapt. I think it's starting to happen. It will happen in the future. Somebody in the elevator yesterday in my building gave me a book they'd written, and they said that it's kind of a story that they're looking to get made into a screenplay. I think our very best writers, like a lot of our talent, is kind of looking abroad still. It'd be nice if they were looking at us also.
but there's no character or a book which is stuck in your head that
There's
maybe
many
you-
books and characters, but not many of them have been Indian. There have been some. But that amazing screenplay or that really good idea is difficult to come by.
Ileana, anything about?
I'm not a very excessive reader. I think the last time I read a book was maybe a year ago. Because I think I've gotten into very intense books now, and I mean the one that I read last was called Norwegian Wood, and it was just really, really deep, and I wouldn't possibly imagine that being adapted. I think it's too complex a story to put into just one film, you know. So I don't know. It's pretty. The beauty of books, I think, should stay in books. It's very, very hard to adapt a book, you know, onto screen and have it be just as good as the book, you know, the movie. So I like the beauty of just books and getting lost in the pages, really. Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, everyone. We can take one last question if there is any one last question. All right then.
Sir, yeah. Hello, sir. Sir, like you said that being an author is not an easy job. So when the role was being an author to write a story is not an easy job. It requires a lot of thought process, like you said. So, sir, when the role was offered to you, what was the reaction? How did you prepare yourself for this role to get under the skin of an author?
Of being a writer?
Yeah.
It's great. I just grew my hair long. I didn't shave. I stayed home. I wore underwear and loose t-shirts and ate a lot of popcorn and, you know, sort of drank some whiskey and didn't sleep at night.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, everyone, for your questions.
And some little writing, of course.
Well, before we move on, we know both of you are voracious readers, and we have a special something for you on behalf of Crossword. Dan Brown was recently here, and he signed copies of his new book for us, which we would like to present to both of you. Thank you very much. Here you go, Seth. That's your copy. That one's for you. And they're excited already. I can see Seth's excited. He's just checking.
Oh, but I want to...
And we're going to... Yes, right there.
Where?
No, it's very much real, Seth. We can vouch for it. All right, and on that note, thank you very much, all of you. A big thank you to the Happy Ending team. Thanks, Seth. Thanks, Ileana. All the very best for the movie. Before we end, our team at Crossword would like a picture with both of you, followed by photo ops for everybody. So I request the Crossword team to please come forward, followed by photo ops to the media, print and electronic. Please don't forget the crowdsourced Happy Ending book that has been specially compiled is available on sale right here at Crossword. Check. Thank you very much to Seth and Ileana. We now continue with photo ops. Remember, this crowdsourced, specially compiled Happy Endings book is very much available at Crossword for all of you. Please don't forget to catch the movie. Thank you. Don't forget to catch Happy Ending at a theatre closest to you November 21st. Thank you very much. And the crowdsourced Happy Endings book is also available right here at Crossword. Thank you.